Welcome to the ultimate showdown between the Nothing Phone 3 and the Samsung Galaxy A56. Today, we're diving deep into what makes each of these smartphones stand out. The Nothing Phone 3 dazzles with its unique LED light strips and a powerful Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 chipset, while the Galaxy A56 impresses with its bright Super AMOLED display and a much friendlier price tag. But which phone takes the crown in display quality, camera prowess, processing power, battery life, and overall value? How does the Nothing Phone 3's innovative design and higher-end specs compare against the Galaxy A56's balanced features? And here's the kicker. Is it worth paying nearly double for the Nothing Phone 3, or does the Galaxy A56 prove you can get more bang for your buck? Let's find out. Both phones sport a large 6.7-inch screen, but the Nothing Phone 3 edges out slightly with a more immersive 92.8% screen-to-body ratio compared to the Galaxy A56's 87.7%, meaning you get a more expansive and sleek viewing experience with the Nothing Phone 3. When it comes to the main camera, the Nothing Phone 3 shines with its versatile triple 50MP setup, including a telephoto lens offering 2x optical zoom, giving you more creative freedom and sharper zoomed shots than the Galaxy A56's single 50MP wide lens. Under the hood, the Nothing Phone 3 boasts a more powerful octa-core CPU with a high-speed 3.21 GHz Cortex-X4 core, outperforming the Galaxy A56's top 2.9 GHz Cortex-A720 core, translating to smoother multitasking and better performance. Resolution-wise, the Nothing Phone 3 has a slight advantage with a 1080 by 2412 pixel display and a taller 20 by 9 aspect ratio, offering a crisper image density roughly 394 ppi compared to the Galaxy A56's 1080 by 2340 pixels and 385 ppi. The chipset battle favors the Nothing Phone 3's Qualcomm Snapdragon 8S Gen 4, a cutting-edge 4nm processor known for efficiency and speed, while the Galaxy A56 runs on the Exynos 1580, also 4nm but generally less powerful in real-world use. Battery capacity is close, but the Nothing Phone 3 packs a slightly larger 5150 mAh battery versus the Galaxy A56's 5000 mAh, offering just a bit more juice for longer usage. Display technology is a tough call, but the Galaxy A56's Super AMOLED display pushes higher brightness peaks up to 1900 nits compared to the Nothing Phone 3's LTPO OLED, making it better for outdoor visibility despite both supporting 120Hz and HDR10+. For selfies, the Nothing Phone 3 dominates with a massive 50MP front camera, vastly superior in resolution and detail compared to the Galaxy A56's 12-megapixel shooter, ideal for those who love high-quality self-portraits. The Nothing Phone 3's standout feature is its 11 LED light strips on the back that serve as notifications and camera fill light, plus a unique blinking red video recording indicator. Features you won't find on the Galaxy A56, which does offer better water resistance IP67 versus IP64. In terms of memory options, the Nothing Phone 3 offers up to 512GB storage with 12GB RAM, surpassing the Galaxy A56's max of 256GB and 12GB RAM, giving you more space for apps, media, and files. Video capabilities favor the Nothing Phone 3 again, supporting 4K recording at both 30 and 60 FPS with optical image stabilization (OIS), whereas the Galaxy A56 maxes out at 4K 30 FPS without OIS, resulting in steadier, higher quality footage on the Nothing Phone 3. Price is where the Galaxy steals the show, coming in at just $450 compared to the Nothing Phone 3's $800, making it a much more budget-friendly option without sacrificing essential features.